So we look at this question. They want us to factorize each of these functions and then sketch the graph of each function indicating clearly the axis-intercept. So this one, if we want to find the y-intercept with sub x equal to 0, then we will become 0 plus 0 plus 0 minus 6. That is negative 6. So 0, negative 6, this is easy. So to find the y-intercept, it is easy. But to find the x-intercept, then we sub y equal to 0. So we have the 0 equal to x power 3 plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. This is what we will need to solve. Okay. So we have to use the remainder theorem. We have to find the roots. Okay. So remainder theorem. Long division, if you want to do long division, you also must know at least one root. So to find the remainder, we have to try and error. So when we want to try an error, we are not simply try with any value. Okay, we have technique. The technique is like this. You have this one, you have the x cube, okay, x power 3 plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. Then what you can do is that you look at the last value here, the constant value here. 6, it can be 1 times 6, 6, 2 times 3, 6. And plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Okay. So we try CLC as sub 1. 1 is the root already, though. Okay. And I CLC again, I have negative 1. This is not root. And 2 is not root. Negative 3 and 2, negative 2 also root. So we have 2 already. We have the 3 and the negative 3. Oh, negative 3 also can work. Okay. So but in the exam we don't we cannot simply put that 3 value because if you simply put that 3 value then the examiner may think that you are using calculator to find the value. Okay. You try and error 1 only. You try and error 1 only. So we try with 1 only. Okay. So we know that we have the x equal to 1. Then the y is 1 power 3 plus 4 times 1 squared plus 1 minus 6. Then it is 0. So x equal to 1 is one of the root. So we have the x equal to 1 is root. So we have the x minus 1 is one of the factor. So x minus 1, 0 here. Then this part, it will become ax squared plus bx plus c. But because the x power 3 is x power 3 only, so we have the x only, x squared plus bx plus c. Okay. So for this one, we do the long division. X power 3 plus 4x squared plus x minus 6 divided by x minus 1. We have the x squared here. Then it is x power 3 minus x squared. X squared times x power 3. X squared times negative 1, negative x squared. Then this one minus this, don't have. This one minus this, 5x squared plus x. Then I multiply with 5x here. Then it will become 5x squared plus minus 5x. Then it will become this one minus this, don't have. This one minus 6 is 6x minus 6. Then we have the 6 here. So it will become 6x minus 6. Okay. So the y here will become x minus 1, x squared plus 5x plus 6. And this one, we can do the factorization x 2, 3 plus plus. Okay. So we have the when y equal to 0, then x minus 1 equal to 0, x plus 2 equal to 0, x plus 3 equal to 0. Then we have the x equal to 1, x equal to negative 2, and x equal to negative 3 are the roots. Okay. So this is the formula. So and then we try when we have a x equal to 10, then what will be the value of y? 10, it is 1404. X equal to negative 10, then the y is negative 616. So the shape will be like this, go up. Okay, since the k is positive, then it will go up lah. Okay, so the root will, we have the x-axis, okay, and then we have the y-axis, and the root is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, and this is 1. Okay, so deng, deng, deng. So it will be something like, this. Okay, so this is 1, and this part is negative 6. This is negative 6. This is x-axis, and this is y-axis. So if we want to check the answer using the decimals, then this will be x power 3 plus 4x squared plus x minus 6. So this will, this is the graph. This is how the graph look like. Okay, this is how the graph look like. Okay, so we have this one, this, this. The one, the intercept only. So what we show is this is enough. Okay, so this is how the graph look like. Okay, so this is how the graph look like.